Good morning, good Thursday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the headlines for today. Lion's Head has entered the Bulgarian industrial market with a €71 million deal. Genesis Property has bought land in Western Bucharest. EPP is to manage M1 shopping centres and Power Park portfolio in Poland. And finally, for today, 18 Gym Fitness and Beauty is expanding in Arad.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So welcome back to the Coffee with Craig show after listening to Winston's very exciting headlines. We have a lot going on this week with our wrapping up our Baltic Real Estate Awards and finalizing the nominations. So if you have a nomination, you're doing anything in northern Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia, anywhere in the Nordics, send us your nominations now for projects or companies. We'd definitely like to thank all of our sponsors, all of our jury, and we'll talk a little bit more about them. Maybe tomorrow we'll even mention a few of them as well again. And kicking off with, and we'll be sending out very soon everything to the jury and for the final jury, or for the first round of jury voting. So that event is May 23rd in the Polish Riviera in the city of Sopot in the Tri-City area. And it'll be at the Radisson Blu Hotel. So let us know if you'd like to come to the event, be involved in it. A lot happening, a lot of new faces coming onto the market there. A lot of people, of course, coming up from Warsaw as well. A nice handful of people coming from Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. Some Scandinavian players as well, some bankers, investors looking to come into the Polish market, and vice versa. So now we'll take a little break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second annual EuropaProperty Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 23rd, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Riviera, Baltic coast, and held once again at the Radisson Blu Hotel. Countries covered for the awards, of course, include Poland, the Baltics, which is Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Norway, as well as Northern Germany. Book your ticket, sponsorship, and place your nominations on our website, balticrealestateawards.eu. Also, feel free to email me or give me a call for more details. So welcome back, and Winston, very exciting headlines there. We can even talk about some of these deals, but let us know what's happening in more detail on the market.
Yeah, sure, Craig. So the biggest deal which was announced yesterday was Lion's Head has entered the Bulgarian industrial market with a €71 million deal. And Lion's Head is a joint venture between AG Capital and Old Mutual Properties, and it's acquired BPD, which is a big logistics player in Bulgaria. And this is a massive deal and described as one of the biggest deals in the last few years.
Yeah, AG, they've been doing a lot in even in Poland now. I see they've got an office here buying up Poland, I guess back in Bulgaria. Logistics always good with Turkey right there. So coming into probably playing both markets, European and the Turkish market, very big.
Yeah, I would imagine in Bulgaria there's lots of need to upgrade existing stock and deliver some new stock. So it must be a very attractive market.
Right. Well, very good. Good to see Christo and his team expanding.
Yep. And it's funny you mentioned that because they are expanding into Poland. Yeah, you're right. So, and that will be interesting to see what they do up here. In Romania, Genesis Property have acquired a 30,000 square meter land plot in Bucharest, and they acquired it from Tzizo Invest for an undisclosed sum, say Colliers. And according to Colliers, this purchase consolidates the developer's position in Western Bucharest, where it already owns a massive business park.
Sure.
And they've also developing private student accommodation there, which is obviously a growing sector within the region now.
Right. And, student accommodation, we didn't hear anything going on in Romania. And now they're popping up pretty quick. And Solida coming down and joining us in the conference there.
That's
and
right,
talking
yeah.
about they were looking at the market. So, quickly it looks like we'll have a category for that in our next SCE Awards coming up.
Definitely future category, I would imagine. And just Colliers goes on to say that there's a lot of land being sold in Bucharest at the moment for different selling purposes and different uses. And it seems that residential is a growing sector in that market. Moving to Poland, and EPP has taken over the management of 9 M1 shopping centres and 3 power parks from Metro Properties, and they plan to, redevelop and extend the leases and do a bit of value add arrangements and property management to these properties throughout Poland.
Yeah, well, M1, I think that they were the big players for quite a long time and have and been built a long time ago. So probably it's time for a bit of remodel and kind of getting them ready for the next 10 years of
Yeah,
success.
and it's interesting you say that, because Renata Kind-Cich, CEO of Metro Properties, she says that despite their many years on the market, these are centres with high BREEAM certification ratings, consistently upgraded over the years, and managed to the best ESG standards. So it seems that EPP wouldn't have too much to do, I think.
Right. Renata and her team are always cutting edge on making sure everything's up to date.
And staying in the retail sector, and finally for today, going back to Romania, and 18 Gym Fitness and Beauty has expanded in Arad, and this particular fitness club is the 3rd largest health and fitness network in Romania, and they're going to open in Agora Arad, and this transaction was brokered with Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, and it's their 37th club in their network in Romania, and they plan to. They're present in 14 cities, and have their goal is opening another 10 locations throughout 2024. So growing rapidly and seem to be doing pretty well.
Yeah, Romania seems to have a few very strong chains, world class, a few other big ones. So good to see that people are staying healthy there and expanding.
Yeah, and it's always a popular addition to any shopping centre.
Yeah, a
Having
retail
gym,
place. Yeah,
gym
yeah.
or health. It's a very good tenant. Yeah, brings in footfall.
Exactly. Very good. Anything else for the day?
Those are all the highlights for today, Craig.
Right, great. All right. So a lot going on. Check our EuropaProperty.com website for the rest of the news. We have a lot of things coming up. You see everywhere from Bulgaria, Romania, Poland, of course, the Baltics, and Scandinavia. So enjoy the rest of the day. And tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, weekend ready for tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do one more news aspect for tomorrow, and see how things go. So it looks like the weather's coming out pretty nice for the weekend. So stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.